Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and today I'm going to talk about how to find keywords from ChatGPT, that is the artificial intelligence, and how you can make sure that those keywords are profitable and you can use them in the titles, in the 7 KDP boxes, in the subtitles, etc. So, if you are watching me for the very first time, I talk about KDP on this channel, and if you're already supporting me, then thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I have logged into the chat GPT here, as you can see, and what we do is we want profitable keywords for a particular niche, right? So how I do the process is what I'm explaining to you. So what I do is I similarly go into the Amazon and I look for a particular niche I want to make books of. For example, here I'm taking an example of geometric coloring book. So what I will do is I will simply go ahead and I will type give me profitable keywords for geometric coloring book. So you can see here, as I typed this, it gave me a whole long list of coloring books, right? So you can use it into the two ways. First of all, you can use it for the niche research as well. If you do not know how to do the niche research with the chat GPT, you can go ahead and you can watch the video in the description box. I have already attached it. I have already discussed it, so you can take the video into your consideration and watch it. Okay, but now I want profitable keywords. I do not want these niches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write give me profitable long tail keywords. Okay, so when you will type the long tail keywords, it will give you more detailed search results. Okay, and if you will just type keywords, I'm just going to give you one example as well. I'm just gonna type give me profitable keywords for the book. Then in that case also it is going to give you profitable keywords, but it is going to give you like the similar one, like one word or the similar one. But I wanted the long tail keywords, more detailed one, so that's why I typed long tail keywords. Okay, so now we have some suggestions over here. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna copy one and then we are gonna paste it inside the Amazon. Okay, so I just copied one. I will go in this search box and I will type it, adult coloring book with complex geometric shapes, and now the search result is 255, which is amazing because, as you know, as I have discussed earlier as well, that I pick any keyword with the search result less than 1000. Why? Because I want less competition over there, right? And after fulfilling my this first criteria, I look for second criteria, and the second criteria is that I look for 3 books with the ranking 300,000 or less than 300,000. So this is the my way of finding the niches and keywords. So our first criteria is obviously satisfied. Now I'm moving to the towards the second criteria of finding 3 books with BSR less than 300,000. So let's go ahead and let's look into this. I got one here, that is 258,960. I got second here, 211,054. I got third, 283,542. Fourth one, 1711, 167,698. Fifth one, 6 7. Okay, so that means this keyword is really profitable and you can use it. So what you will do is you will go ahead, you will create a new Google Sheets, and you will paste that profitable keyword over there, and you can use it in the 7 KDP boxes. Okay, now moving to the second keyword from here. Let's suppose I want this one. I will copy it. I will go into Amazon. I will paste it. Okay, it has search result more than 2000, so I'm not gonna take it. Now I'm gonna choose the third one. It has 1000 results, which is fine. I'm gonna take it because I take 1000 or less than 1000. So 1000 is fine. Now I'm looking for 3 books with BSR 300,000 or less than 300,000. So I got my first one, I got my second one, I got my third one. So completely it is profitable. I got more here as well. So that's fine, it is profitable. I will copy it, I will paste it in my Google Sheet, and so on. I will do it with every other keywords over here, and I'm good to go. Similarly, if you have any particular niche in your mind, for example, if you have, let's suppose you want to type, you want to have animal. I'm just taking an example. I'm not doing the research or anything. So I just typed give me some potential profitable long tail keywords for an animal coloring book for kids, and this is what I got. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead, I can just copy it, and I can look into the Amazon. It has 2000, obviously I'm not gonna take it. And this also works great for finding the niches as well. So it has 1000, which is fine. I got first one, second one, third one. Okay, this is profitable as well. So you can see how it is and how convenient it is. I have discussed ChatGPT in a lot of ways, that what to do, what not to do, how to make use of ChatGPT in finding niches for KDP, how to find profitable keywords from ChatGPT absolutely for free. So this was a completely sweet and to the point video. I didn't want it to give you some rando infos which is not making any sense. This video is completely focused and completely to the point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.